I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix Alexa when it reports weather for the wrong city. Step 1. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Devices in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Tap Device Type, tap Echo and Alexa, and then tap Apply. A list of all of your Amazon Echo and Alexa devices is displayed. Choose the specific Echo device that is giving you the wrong weather location. Step 3. Tap the settings icon at the top right of the menu. Step 4. Scroll down to the organization section and then tap device location. Step 5. Enter your correct street address, city, state, and zip code, and then tap save. You'll be prompted to check your existing alarms to make sure they are still set for the appropriate time. Step 6. Back on the device settings page, navigate to the organization section again, and this time tap time zone. Make sure your correct time zone is selected so your weather forecast stays synchronized with your local time. You'll again be prompted to check your existing alarms to make sure they are still set for the appropriate time. Repeat these steps for any other Echo devices in your house to make sure every room is using your updated address. If Alexa continues to give you incorrect weather reports or severe weather alerts for your old area after updating your address, you likely need to clear out residual notification settings. You can simply ask your Echo device to set up new severe weather notifications for your current location. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.